Shea Moisture Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Conditioner is incredible. It doesn't have that heavy, musky shea butter smell that some shea butter shampoos and conditioners has. And the texture is just creamy and wonderful and perfect. It's not too heavy. And it really does make your hairstyle and conditioning last. As far as a conditioner goes, it really does relax and tone the hair in a wonderful way with a very kind of light rinse and light usage. I don't think you're supposed to leave this in and just let it penetrate into the scalp. Even a light rinse will totally liberate the hair, free it, texturize it, consolidate it, kind of bring it into its own style and its own shape. Return it into its own shape after the shampoo has just kind of taken all the grease and everything else out of it, for that matter. So just has a very nice uh, aesthetic and tactile. It has a very nice feel to the hair after you rinse it out. Just a very clean feeling moisturizer with a nice, subtle, not too overpowering smell.